Dear friends in the Lord, it was Saint Mother Teresa of Calcutta who said, in calling us to share in God's work, God or the Lord does not ask us to be successful, but to be faithful. Unquote. Let me repeat that. In calling us to share in God's work, the Lord does not ask us to be successful, but to be faithful. In today's gospel reading, Jesus shows us a picture of what lies ahead for his disciples as they set out to bear witness to him. And Jesus is so honest. He speaks of persecution, imprisonment, betrayal, hatred from others. And what the Lord is looking for in all these negative experiences is mentioned in the last line of the gospel reading. And that is perseverance or endurance. Naatay nagkadaiyang dagway sa persecution. Gani kung itandi sa atong gipasidunggan nga mga persecuted Christians, gamay ra gyud tingali ning ato dinhi. Kana lang mga kasinatian nato nga lainon tagsabot, awayon ta, sige kang simba. Ikaw na, pagduog na lang muspare. Ano ba? Kanang awayon ang nagtinarong nga katikista, wapagitan na sila ipliti, pero igpauli sa balay, awayon sa ilang, sige kang, nakaiswildo na pa. Naatay mga kasinatian nga daw makapahiubos nato. Sakto pa ba kani akong gibuhat, Lord? Nga usahay nga yung mga panagtigom, kita'y malahi. Kay grabitan atog yung gibarugan ang mga pagtulunan sa atong katoliko pagtuo. Usahay kita pa'y ma-isolate. We have our own share of being persecuted, of some hatred from others because of our faith. And what the Lord is looking for in all these not so good experiences is our perseverance, our endurance. And in the words of Saint Mother Teresa, faithfulness. The Lord wants us to be faithful in the midst of apparent failure. It is so tempting to lose faith when our relationship with the Lord, our efforts to serve Him, seems to bring more grief than joy. When trouble or persecution arises on account of our following of the Lord, immediately we somehow fall away. But it is the Lord who makes possible our endurance to the end, not just for a while. Jesus promises His disciples and to all of us today when He said in today's gospel gihapon, I myself shall give you a wisdom in speaking that all your adversaries will be powerless to resist or refute. Ipangayo sa Ginoo gikanato perseverance, endurance. Nya andang pagid siya muhatag ana. In times of struggle and failure, we are invited to rely on the resources, graces that the Lord gives us so that we may truly endure, we may truly persevere, to the end, not just for a while. Di lang sa kukutob, you may endure it.